The QB5 is a tiny desktop that fits on the palm of your hand. It's perfect for office and other professional settings. It even takes care of general home entertainment. The QB5 can even be mounted to a monitor, making it a real space saver. The MP221 is a perfect choice for this with its VESA mount support. And with the support for extended power switch, there's no need to reach behind the monitor. Despite its tiny size, the QB5 still delivers top performance powered by Intel's 10th generation Core i7 processor. This means excellent processing power and a smooth desktop experience. MSI always strives for easy upgradability. On the QB5, the SSD and memory modules are seamlessly accessed through the bottom for upgrading. It's that simple. The QB5 is exceptionally silent. Even under full load, it will still be the perfect choice for even libraries. This tiny desktop is rich in I/O ports. It also supports dual monitors with its HDMI and DisplayPort connections, letting you multitask even more efficiently.
So we will uncover the Lania X1 specs and features today, so you guys can know all it has to offer in just 2 minutes. Now, on to the interesting bit. These specs. It's got the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i7-1165G7 with 2.8 GHz to 4.7 GHz speeds. Intel Iris Xe graphics includes hardware-accelerated video decoding and encoding, improving media playback quality and enabling faster video rendering for content creators, which can be completed effortlessly. It's good for professional work like photo editing, with a user experience close to a desktop computer. While that's promising, Lania Mini PC with high-speed DDR4 RAM, which is expandable up to 64 GB, built-in 512 GB, and 1 TB Western Digital M2 NVMe SSD. All you need is packed in this most affordable mini PC, allowing you to swiftly operate multiple tabs and open files with speed. Qbits Mini PC comes with versatile characters to fulfill your demands. This can be a triple monitor display, which it supports through HDMI and Thunderbolt 4, Intel dual-band wireless AC 3165, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 4.2. Simply compatible with all your existing apps. Built-in advanced thermal design, so you don't have to worry about multitasking overheating your device. It's easy to set up, and the PC does come pre-installed with Windows 11 out of the box. This small and exquisite mini PC can be put in a bag and taken away at any time. Ideal for business travel. Now, that's all of the specs. This is a clean-looking device. The portability aspect is, of course, appealing.
When the limitations of space and size restrict your creativity, open up a world of possibilities with innovative design. Introducing the Lenovo ThinkStation P360 Ultra. A revolutionary form factor designed without compromise for optimal space usage and ultimate flexibility. Unimaginable performance with blazingly fast 12th Gen Intel Core processors. And next-level NVIDIA RTX professional graphics. Delivering a more versatile system to meet your workflow needs. In a world where bigger is often perceived as better, we redefine the power of small.
What kind of office environment will be more comfortable? Let GK35 Pro tell you. Its compact body can make your desktop more neat and tidy. The body is made of textured plastic body and acrylic plate, which is more thin and portable. Despite the small size, it still has a variety of interfaces. Choose what you need. With Intel Celeron processor J4105. There is a cooling fan for accelerated heat dissipation. Optional DDR4 AG memory, low power consumption, longer battery life. Small body with the same freedom to expand the HDD. It consists of plastic body, heat insulation board and acrylic board, etc. It is a combination of technology and art. Support 4K definition output. Dual screen display, work more efficiently. GK35 Pro, an energy-saving mini PC with both office and entertainment. You deserve it.
Last but not least, MSI Pro DP20Z5M. MSI Pro DP20Z5M035 US Mini PC is a compact and powerful computer that is perfect for business or learning. It is inspired by the natural bamboo's perseverance, transformation, and refinement, and is designed to be both reliable and efficient. The Pro DP20Z5M035 US features an AMD 5000 series APU and up to 64 GB of 3200 MHz memory, which makes it capable of handling even the most demanding tasks. It also supports 4K at 60 Hz and up to 3 displays, so you can stay productive and organized. In addition, the Pro DP20Z5M035 US comes with MSI Center and a TPM module, which provide you with a variety of features to help you work more efficiently and securely. MSI Center is a one-stop shop for managing your computer's performance, settings, and updates. The TPM module provides hardware-based security for your data, so you can be confident that your information is safe. Overall, the MSI Pro DP20Z5M035 US is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact and powerful mini PC. It is perfect for both business and learning, and it offers a variety of features to help you work efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.